Welcome back to another video. Today we got a Black Friday Target Black Friday ad 2019. So don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for tutorials to deals and Black Friday deals. Alright, yeah, we are a tool channel, just to remember you guys. But this time we're going to be doing videos. All this season we're going to be doing sales, videos, Black Fridays. So let's go ahead and get started. This is Element with Roku TV. 65 4K special purchase $279.99. It's probably one of the best deals here from Target. Usually the front door is going to be one of the front page of the ad is going to be one of the best deals there. So this is a great deal there. I have this brand of TV and I still have it. It works. I already have like 3 or 4 years with it. So definitely recommend this brand. I believe this brand is USA made. At least my TV was USA made. I don't know about this brand. Or assembled in the USA, if you can call that made in the USA. Probably with global materials, from materials from all over. But yeah, that was assembled in the USA. It says special purchase $299.99. It says Nintendo Switch with dock. I can't read that. Left, right, Joy controller, and more colors. Free Mario Kart 8 Deluxe game included. So they do include the Mario Deluxe. So you're basically gonna be paying just regular price and getting that game for free. You got some headphones here, some Beats, $129.99. Black Friday, hundreds of doorbusters, thousands of deals. We got doors open 5 p.m. Thursday. Doors close 1 a.m. Friday. Doors reopen at 7 a.m. on Friday. So shop deals now at Target.com. $19 for the Google Home Mini. $64.95 for the Instant Pot, 6 quarts. Free, it says free with purchase. Equip Black Metal Electric Toothbrush, $40. Alright, next page. It says preview sale, Black Friday, hundreds of doorbusters. Alright, we got a 65-inch TV here. It's a TLC brand. TLC is okay. It's not going to be your higher brand like Samsung. TLC is going to be like your Element or the, what is it, Insignia, something like that. So those are your lower cost TVs, but still they almost look the same. I mean, the picture quality is just on TVs today is just ridiculous. Can't hardly tell the difference. You got TCL Roku 65-inch, $399, so just under $400 for a 65-inch TV. You got Samsung 55-inch, $329.99, and I can't read what this is. So let's see here. It's not really telling me. You got a Samsung 50-inch 4K, $279.99. A TLC Roku TV, or TCL, my bad. I keep saying TLC. It's TCL, $169.99. Great deals. Definitely recommend. Well, both of these. If you can afford a better brand, obviously get a better brand. But these TVs are going to last you for quite a while, so just depends on your preference. You got a TCL 5 Alto 5 something 2.0 channel home theater soundbar. Connects to your TV, streams music, video, Bluetooth. So $49.99 for that. You got $129.99 for the Samsung. Definitely recommend the Samsung. It does have a subwoofer, so it would sound a little bit nicer. Doorbusters TV. Okay, this is the other half of the TV that was on the other side. So TV's on sale, 65-inch Samsung, and that was $479. Got the LG 55-inch, $329.99. You got the LG 229.99, Philips Roku 179.99. Got the Amazon Fire Stick TV 19.99, a JBL speaker 99.99. Ultimate Ear Bluetooth speaker, waterproof, and 10-hour battery life, $39.99. So these are great little small gifts for kids or somebody that likes to listen to music. Sony XB41 wireless Bluetooth speaker, waterproof, dustproof, $124.99. Got Doorbusters here, 65 Samsung, $599. You got a 55 Samsung, $449.99. All TVs on sales. You got Samsung 50-inch for $349.99, or a TCL 50-inch, $249.99. Polaroid, $69.99. This is a smaller TV. Again, this is a great price there. Samsung, $229.99 for 43-inch. You got a Roku streaming stick here, $29.99. You got a mount. It says 50% off. $59.99 for the. It says 42 to 75 inch. Swivels and extends 18 inches from the wall. Says Doorbusters. A buster. You got an LG 60-inch TV, $429.99. LG 65-inch, $479.99. So, pretty much these are basically the same TV, only 5 inches bigger. All TVs on sale. LG $269.99. VCO under $200 for a 40-inch. TCL $279.99. You got another soundbar, TCL $99.99. If you can afford the Samsung, definitely go with the Samsung. If not, then that should be okay. Samsung 4K HD Blu-ray player, $129.99. What is this? Chromecast. Your favorite entertainment, $25. Got free iPhone deals valid 7 a.m. Friday, Sunday, with qualified activation. iPhone 11 Pro Max Pro or iPhone Pro 11, Verizon, AT&T. So definitely, if you would need an iPhone, go get an iPhone. Samsung. So yeah, free Samsung S10, S10 Plus, Note Plus, Verizon, AT&T. Got the watches there. Got the AirPods, $249. AirPods with the charging case, $144.99. So these are the little better ones here. Google, what is this? Google free qualified activation. That's the Pixel. It says Fitbit. Yeah, most of this stuff is just smaller gifts here. You got a nice printer here for $29.99. What is this? HP Sprocket. 200 printer, has Bluetooth portable printer. Oh yeah, so you could take this anywhere pretty much. You got the Google Nest, $149.99, and then you got the Google Nest Cam indoor. Security, $159.99. If you do YouTube, you got a camera here on sale for $399.99. Just gonna go over this quick. Probably not gonna go over the whole thing, just a few things here and there. It says Amazon Echo, 3rd generation, $59.99. Amazon Echo Show 5, $49.99. Echo Dot, $22.99, or $22 even. You got an Amazon Fire HD7, $29.99. Then you got the Fire HD, $99.99. And then you got a tablet for the kids, Amazon Fire Kids Edition, $59.99. You got a Samsung Galaxy Tab, $159.99. These are well worth it, by the way. Chromebook, $99.99. So this is not a laptop. This is Chromebook is mostly like internet browsing, YouTube, and pretty much simple things you could do with the laptop. You could do with this. If you want to do video editing, gaming, stuff like that, hardcore gaming, this is not the laptop for you. You got a Ring 2 Pack Indoor Cam, $119.99. Doorbell 2 with the doorbell thing, $139.99. Everybody's using that. You got the tile. This thing, if you lose your keys, I guess you can put it to your keys, and you can track it down. I guess $12.99. Got a Google Nest Hub, $79.99. Google Home Music, for basically a speaker, smart speaker, $49.99. Got some J-Buds Air Support True Wireless Earbuds, $34.99. And then you got these for $49.99. And your better quality here for $74.99. Got some cameras on sale. Got the GoPro Hero 8, $349.99. Some video games here. I'm not going to go over all of them. If you want to look at this, you could go to target.com. You got a laptop here. It's a nice PC gaming laptop. Oh, it's laptop. $599.99. Yeah, this is gonna be your video editing or your gaming laptop, like it says right there. It's gonna be your. If you guys look at the memory here, it tells you it does have the i5 processor, Intel Core. It does have a lot of memory, 256 gigabyte and 8 gigabyte of RAM. So you got a little better there compared to the Chromebook. You just got the basic memory there just to browse. These arcades special purchase, $249.99 each. What is this? A Sony PlayStation 4. Under $200, you get 3 games with it, I guess. It says includes wireless controller, 3 free games. Got an Xbox with the free bundle, $349.99. You got the PlayStation VR, $199. Got the Nintendo Switch, $199. Got another PC laptop gaming, $899. What is this? Harry Potter. I don't know what this is. Computer kit. Build your own computer. Code and plugs into HDMI screen. I guess this is to build your own computer stuff. Interesting. Anyways, that's it for today. I'm not going to keep you guys, I'm not going to make this video real long. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more tool reviews, more Black Friday deals. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.